everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back to another video tutorial. We have yet another card candy today. This one is from Vicki Collins, and she is in Team Crew with me. My team has the best swaps. I'm going to brag on them because they always go all out. We vote, we have a best in show, they get a button and they get some extra crew dollars, and that they can spend at our auction. We have a really good time. And so Vicki had done this adorable set of elements from the Gone Fishing stamp set and the coordinating dies. Now these have been carried over into the new catalog. I really thought the paper had been, but apparently not. Even though I'm using it this month in class. You know, sometimes you plan things you think and then you're wrong, but there you go. So the dies cut out this cute little kind of tackle box insert, and so Vicki put her card candy on the tackle box, which was super cute. Now we're actually going to make 2 cards out of this, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, I'm going to use a stamp in here because we don't have any words. I am going to take out the fish because all these are little tackle pieces. I'm going to take out that fish and save it. We're going to save it for our other card. And we're going to put a sentiment here. So I'm going to do, we have some retirements coming up. So I'm going to do Happy Retirement. I'm going to grab just a piece of white here. And I'm going to stamp Happy Retirement in Mossy Meadow. Down at the bottom, we're going to just trim this off. Cute. Okay. I want that. Let's see. How big do we want that? 1 inch. I think probably, I'm going to do 1 1/8 just to be safe, and then we might cut it down more. We'll see how 1 1/8 looks. I think 1 1/8 is perfect. Okay. Let's grab our scissors, and our retirement's going to go right there, but I'm going to flag it. And it's okay if it goes over the box a little bit. So what I did was just kind of cut down to the center and then flag that. And we'll do the same over on this side. Try to get in the center. And then cut from the edges. Okay. I feel like that's, I don't know, not loving that look. So we're gonna just trim it off straight. There we go, there's one side. You know, you can always try something, and if you don't like it, you have the power to change it. Right? Oh, I left the words over there. Oh, and look, that fits right in our tackle box. Oh, that's perfect. See, sometimes doing a little adjustment is the way to go. All right, I'm gonna grab my dimensionals. I'm gonna put 3. I just see the little ones. I don't know what happened to my big ones. All right, so we're doing our card front. That fits in perfect. Okay, now this has got rounded ends. I've got a half sheet of Mossy Meadow, and I'm going to put this on top. I really don't want any cards showing, and this is actually a little bit smaller, so I'm going to shave a little bit off. I'm going to shave a hair, maybe 1/8 of an inch. Let's see if that will work. I just don't want the card base showing. That is perfect. Okay, we are going to round these corners a little bit because I just want the front of the card to look like the tackle box, the inside of the tackle box. Okay, so what we're going to have to do, I'm going to glue this down, and then we are going to trim. glue it right down to this edge. I've got glue sticking out. Okay. I want it right on the edge. Make sure it's covering. It's a little over the top and bottom. Okay. I think that'll be all right. So what I'm going to do is just take my scissors, trim that edge to go. I think I cut a little bit off. I got to take my glasses off when I cut. Pardon me if you see my head sticking in the frame. I just can't see. Okay, this is wider, so I'm going to have to cut that down a little bit. Let's just use our trimmer. See if I can get my glasses back on and trim that off. Perfect. All right, I love that trimmer. Okay, let's get rid of all that random paper. Now look, that just completely covers the front. Now I will cut a piece to go inside here. We'll do that later, but isn't that cute? If you wanted to add some elements, you could. I'm not putting rhinestones on that. I might add something later, but you know, I think it looks perfect just how it is. And guys don't really appreciate the bling, so why waste it on them, right? Okay, so that's one. Now we're gonna take this fish and I'm gonna use one of our note cards. My husband is always coming home asking me if I have a retirement card, so now I have a couple that I can give him. And this is just going to be super sweet and simple. I'm gonna do happy retirement, and I'm gonna put this fish right here, and that is it. I mean, how cute is that? He's not over, right? He needs to go to the left a little. Cute! I could actually, you know what? I take that back. He needs something. He needs a little something. Something. Hold on one sec. What do we have? We have a blending brush with blue. I'm looking to see where my Pool Party ink pad is, and it is, I'm sure, where, here we are. There's Pool Party. Let's put a little bit of Pool Party just behind our fish, just to add a little color. I might need to re-ink that. Just going very lightly, because well, maybe I need to go darker. I think I need more ink in my Pool Party ink pad. That's what's going on. Okay, it's sticking to where I had removed that, but that's okay because we're going to cover it. So we're going to give just a little bit of a little background there. Oh, perfect. Perfect. I don't think we have any bubbles. We do have this, which is probably what I should have done. All right. He's not stuck on there very well anyway, so we can use this. Okay, let's do a little bit of Pool Party water right here. We'll have it extend that way. And we're going to give him a new dimensional so he has more sticky life now that I've been messing with him. Oh man, I pulled off some of his skin. That's not good. Okay, let me find where I put my big dimensionals. Look. I'm using my edges. I got a long piece we can put on him. He is facing this direction. Oh, that's good. Okay, wise choice. That makes all the difference in the world. So cute. I love it. Such a quick and easy card. I love doing little cards like this where it's just a sentiment and a popped up element. And these got a little background. Okay, that's it for our card candy today. Vicki, thank you so much for such an adorable set. I would love to have your order if you would like to place an order. I have a link below in the YouTube video description. And there's also a link to my blog. We are having a really great starter kit special this month where you with your starter kit, you get a free set of the new In Color ink pads. You get a pack of assorted cardstock for the new In Colors. You get a whole set of the new In Color markers. And you get a pack of the In Color Designer Series paper. It's like over $80 in value. And then you get to pick another $125. You could pick this Gone Fishing stamp set and the bundle, and and the stamp and the dies. I can't talk. And the dies, and you still have more you could spend, along with getting all that other free stuff. So I will have a link below, also on the YouTube channel, if you're interested in finding out more about joining my team. And yeah, that is it for today. And we still have more card candy coming. I think we've got maybe two more days of card candy. So thanks everybody for stopping by, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.